rolling. Okay, so last night we caught 2 squids. Very nice little squid, so I'll show you how to clean them. What I usually do is just stick the hand in, see where the head comes out of the hat, and just kind of grab a hold of it and like pull the head off. The ink can be used like in sauces and stuff like that. It doesn't taste a lot, but it gives that black color. So in the top here, you see there's a little little bone. You want to take that out. So there we go. That's the bone. That's the only bone they have in their body. Throw that out. There's like a little skin on the top, so we'll just kind of pull that. It's the skin that is really cool in the night when they're alive and changing color and trying to camouflage themselves. Just peel the skin off. So there we go, there we got the squid hat. There you go, squid rings. Deep fry them and have a fantastic meal. Alright, after cleaning the squid, we're gonna make a tempura batter and fry them up. I'll put 1 egg, a bit of flour, ice cold water, then just whisk that together. I kind of like it a little bit thick. So the squid ring that we've cleaned, just take them, dip them in the batter and just put it down in the hot oil. There we go, first batch of calamari squid rings. Let's let them cool off and see how they taste. Want some of the squid, Jack?
Hell yeah.
Want some more?
Thanks, man.
You're welcome, take 2.
Sweet.
Sweet. Hello guys!
Nej, jag kan inte hålla driva alltså.
No way!
Shit man.
That is out of this world.
Freddy.
Yay! Wee!
Oh, good morning.
Good morning!
Så jag got a little...
Ja, där leker. Leker.
Wow.
Wow.
Nej.
Nej.
Nej, det ligger.
That's cool.
I choose Frederick Octopus because it is caught with authority.